Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back, here we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, turn light indicated, spotlight indicated mirrors, blind spot detection, side view camera. Moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. We have cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, with a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer saying at 43 kilometers. We got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control, digital speedometer. We do get my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got a gear select that's collapsible with storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, four-wheel drive, drive modes, and rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt, 120. We got storage above, below, on the dash, with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our auto stop auto start, and looking here, hazard distraction, 360 view where you can go for different camera angles. We got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, little red dots showing your vehicle's been search, race, and saved. Have your fave apps in here, such as messaging, email, and apps in general, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any apps you may have downloaded, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD26773, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.